One signal alone is not enough to make a confident trade decision. Using multiple confirmations can help traders understand market conditions better. This is how the continuation opportunity indicator and volatility-based momentum with multi-timeframe table work together to provide a structured approach to analyzing momentum shifts. This is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Trading involves risk. The market is in a downtrend, and the VBM MTF table is indicating momentum is aligned in the same direction across multiple time frames. This suggests that, based on these indicators, traders may want to focus on identifying continuation signals in the prevailing trend direction. A continuation opportunity signal appears. At the same time, the VBM MTF table continues to reflect bearish conditions across multiple time frames. Some traders use this type of confirmation to align their decision-making with the dominant trend. Additional continuation signals follow, and the VBM MTF table remains consistent, still reflecting the same trend conditions. By using tools that account for multiple time frames, traders may gain a broader perspective on market movements. Following these continuation signals, price moves downward. However, after the drop, the VBM MTF table shifts from strong bearish to neutral, suggesting a potential change in conditions. Additional continuation signals appear, but this time, the VBM MTF table is not aligned in the same way as before. Without confirmation from multiple time frames, the signals may represent a different level of conviction compared to earlier setups. As price moves upward, it highlights the importance of analyzing confirmation factors rather than relying on a single signal alone. Momentum-based indicators can assist in assessing when market conditions may or may not be favorable for specific setups. This demonstrates how traders can incorporate multi-timeframe momentum analysis into their strategy. The VBM MTF table and continuation opportunity indicator are tools designed to visualize these conditions in real time. If you're interested in learning more about structured analysis, follow along for future updates. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Past results are not indicative of future performance, and all trading involves risk.